Alright, so we have properties of logarithms to expand this logarithm expression. This time we have, inside the natural log, we have a square root. So we want to use our formula of changing a square root to a fractional exponent, which is, let me change that to my green for my formula color, is the square root of x is equal to x to the power of 1/2. So we can first switch this from the natural log of the square root to the natural log of x minus 1 over x to the power of 1/2. Next, we can use a log formula that says if we have a log base b of x to the power of n, we can kick that exponent to the front and make that n log base b of x. Wow, this is really not wanting to write. There we go. Okay, so using that formula, we can kick our 1/2 to the front and make this 1/2 natural log of x minus 1 over x. Okay, and from here, we can use our formula of if we have a log base b of x over y, we can split that into two logs using subtraction. Log base b of x minus log base b of the bottom, which is y. So using that formula, we'll leave the 1/2 out front, and I'll use a parentheses on the outside because I'm splitting my natural log up into two. The first would be the natural log of the top, which is x minus 1, and then we subtract out the natural log of the bottom, which is x. And that would be fully expanded.